Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to your YouTube channel French Minds. On this channel I keep uploading everyday French lessons for French language learners. So let's begin. So today we are continuing with our number series 151 to 155. So let's begin. 151 is pronounced in French as saw cinquante-deux. How this number has been formed? Saw means 100, cinquante means 50 and means 1. Saw cinquante-deux. 152 is pronounced in French as cinquante-deux. Cinquante-deux. 153 is pronounced in French as cinquante-trois. Cinquante-trois. 154 is pronounced in French as cinquante-quatre. Cinquante-quatre. 155 is pronounced in French as cinquante-cinq. Cinquante-cinq. So let's practice these numbers one more time. 151 cinquante-un. 152 cinquante-deux. 153 cinquante-trois. 154 cinquante-quatre. 155 cinquante-cinq. So keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Au revoir. Fast track your French language learning journey by hitting the subscribe button now.